Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Subaru Legacy key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You will need a new CR 2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Ensure your workspace is clean and well lit to prevent losing small parts. Having the correct battery size is crucial for proper function. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and is easy to do yourself at home. Next, you'll need to carefully open your key fob. Begin by pressing the small silver tab on the back to release and remove the metal emergency key. Once the emergency key is out, you'll see a small slot or notch in that area. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Now that your key fob is open, you can access the battery. Locate the flat, round CR 2032 battery. Before removing it, observe which side, usually the positive side, is facing upward. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Be careful not to damage the internal components. Take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Press the halves together firmly until they snap securely into place, creating a tight seal. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot. Test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking, to confirm it's working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.